North Korea is warning a nuclear strike if attacked and showcasing that they're ready for war. Here is some recent footage.
Fiery warning from North Korea to the U.S. on Tuesday, state media calling for, quote, catastrophic consequences in response to any further moves by the United States, after an American Navy strike team was sent to waters off the Korean peninsula. Pyongyang went on to say the North is ready for any mode of war desired by Washington.
한약집들이 핵선제 타격에 오염하면서 계속 뒤처진다면 우리는 쌓이고 쌓인 분노를 폭발시켜 적들의 그 번개들은 물론 미국이라는 땅덩어리를 이 지구상에서 온지도 남지 않게 싹 쓸어버리고 말겠습니다. 죽이자! 죽이자! 죽이자!
갑자기 벌일 행동서서는 벌써 이미 전에 조직됐어야 했을 것입니다. 백두산 절제 위인들의 손길아래 자라난 백두산 혁명 가문이 불만통을 박살내고.
The message is clear. North Korean soldiers firing on a paper target with the words USA on the helmet. The live fire drills that aired on state TV vowed to show its enemies, the United States, that it was ready to fight, showing off the military skill with weaponry. What's unusual about this latest video is the rare show of firing on a U.S. target.
Never beg for peace. We will take the toughest counteraction against those who have provoked us, and we will defend ourselves with powerful armed forces.
North Korea has staged several missile tests, claiming they are on the verge of developing an intercontinental ballistic missile capable of reaching the U.S. mainland.